Alright guys, what I'm about to show you is very dangerous. Alright, if your car is at this point, this critical point, if your mechanic has checked out your car, he told you, you should trust your mechanic, but make sure you have a good mechanic. But what I'm about to show you is very dangerous. Alright, I'll remove this tire, then I'll show you again. But if you take a look at right here, guys, look, watch this. I'm not even gonna make any effort. See that? Let's bring that camera close up, right there. If we put the camera right here, and let's bring the screen up. Pay attention to this ball joint right here. It's part of this control arm. You see that? The whole tire just moves. I could just take it with my hand and just move the whole goddamn tire. I could just take this tire and just move it around as much as I want. I'm pretty much making it like almost like a 30% of the turn that the steering will make for you. That's how bad this ball joint is. What's the damage on this? I'm gonna tell you the damage just in a second, how dangerous this is. Let me remove this tire and then we'll take a look from that side. Alright guys, this thing is so bad. I'm trying to remove this tire, and usually the tire will get stuck to the hub. I got all the lugs removed, but when I'm trying to hit this like a rubber hammer mallet, the whole ball joint will move, but the tire will not come off. That's how bad this thing is. Alright guys, so I'm about to put this tire down. There it goes. Alright guys, this right here is super duper dangerous. Alright, this customer neglected his car and everything is pretty much bad on the car. Tires, tie rods, but this is the most severe right here, and he wanted to travel all the way down to Boston, and I told him that's about 4 or 5 hour job. He needs to do a lot of work, and he decided to only do this. How dangerous is this? As I showed you earlier, watch this. Alright, usually we cannot figure out if there's a play if you have the tire off. Alright, you need to have the tire on, then we should be able to wiggle it and see if there's a play. But I don't even have the tire on anymore, and I can feel a play of it. You can literally see it. Alright, that's how bad this control arm, the ball joint is. So this is a 05 Nissan Altima. I will be making a video how to replace this control arm, lower control arm. This is on the passenger side. Anyways, how dangerous is this? You can kill yourself. You can kill your passenger in your car. They can get injured. You could kill somebody on the road. Let's say you're going 80 miles per hour on the highway, like he's about to travel 80 to 90 miles per hour on the highway, on the freeway. If this ball joint comes off, this whole tire, you ever seen that car leaning to the side, stuck on the road because the tire just came apart? That's what's gonna happen here. Imagine going 80 miles per hour and just the tire just comes right off, and what's this gonna do? It's gonna cause an accident, big accident. He might kill himself. He might kill a couple of people that's nearby at the moment because the car just lost control 80 miles per hour. And we don't want that, guys. So take care of your car. If you're a mechanic, and every time you go for oil change, your mechanic does check things such as front end, 21-point inspection. That's what they do. Quick look at little things. All right. If I just take this tire and do this, I just check your tie rods. If I do it like that, I check your hub, ball joint, bearing, and everything. All right. So just that little thing just did like 1, 2, 3, 4 points right there. And we do this each time we take a look at brakes. If your mechanic told you have bad ball joints, tie rods, look into it, guys. Don't drive off. It's a machine. You're putting other people's life in risk, and you don't want that, guys. Alright? So, anyways, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know. And if there's anything I missed, please put it down in the comments below. Don't be mad. You know, I didn't say this, I didn't say that. Anyways, thank you, subscribe, bye bye, and I'll see you on the next one.